Mason, Cleveland, ready to go. I got you, Mason. Can y'all see? Oh. Okay, can y'all see?
What's Mason's last name?
Cleveland.
Cleveland, thank you.
Go.
Hi, my name is Mason Cleveland and my company name is Pet Forever. It's an in-home day sitting pet service in Atlanta, Georgia that also sells animal toys and other animal products. We care for animals up to 12 hours a day. I want this business because I love animals and they're my favorite things in the world. My mission is to provide comfort and care to pets while their families are away. It's important to me that people trust me with their pets and I care for them like they're my own. To get started, I plan to market my business through social media and post flyers in local dog parks and on utility poles. My competitors are PetSmart and Petco. Pet Forever is different from them because we offer lower prices. For example, pet sitting services at PetSmart are $90 a day, while we charge up to $75 per day. Also, most of our sitters are kids as pet sitters, which gives pets a fun experience and helps the local community. We will do special deals to promote the business like buy 2 appointments and get the third one free, and buy one toy, the second one is free. Our costs for the students are $35 per day, and our products are sold for double the cost. For example, dog collars cost me $10 and I sell them for $20. My startup cost total is $1,400. It includes $150 to set up a LLC which will protect my personal finances, $300 for business insurance, $250 to set up my website and market materials, $400 for pet care training, and $300 for product startup kit. $600 of this will come from my personal funds, and $500 will be a gift from my parents. Today I'm asking you guys for $300 for my product startup kit, and I will give you 1% of my product sales until I give you back a total of $450. Please consider investing my Pet Forever where animals are treated like their own, like our own.
Very good case, What pets do you have?
I have a dog only.
What kind of dog?
A poodle mixed with a, I try to say it, but at the same time I say the bad word.
And how long have you been taking care of your dog?
About 4 years? I can't remember.
4 years?
Yeah.
Do you pick up the dogs, or do people have to bring them to you?
They pick up the dog. I pick up the dogs and I take them to my house.
And you deliver them back to the owner?
Yeah.
Do they also stay overnight, or is it just during the day?
It's just during the day.
Just during the day. And you have a special place that you keep them separate?
I think I'm gonna make my own dog house so they can sleep.
process before you just let anybody be employed under Pet Forever?
I don't think so.
Okay. Just like a background to make sure that whichever student you chose to hire, would represent your company well.
So if someone leaves their pet with you, do they have the ability to get in contact with you, if they are concerned 2 or 3 hours later that they missed their pet?
Yeah.
How will they get in contact with you?
I think on one of my flyers, I'm gonna put an email, I think my phone number on it, so they can call me and speak.
Very good. You're confident.
I'm curious about your experience. So walk me through the service hours you get by enrolling in your pet service.
Say it again?
So basically, I need someone, I need someone to sit my pet for a day. Rambunctious. And then also, in addition to that, how do you handle more, I would say, yes.
Go ahead, finish your question.
And how do you actually handle more, I would say, high-strung pets as well?
They might, the owners might tell me what to do, what they need, or what to do, kind of, what to keep, what to do if they do this or that.
Sherry, did you get a chance to ask a question?
Yes.
Okay.
Your biggest competitor is Rover.com.
Rover.com, yeah. All right, Nate?
All right, you're asking for $300 for 1%?
Yes.
And then, when that 400, when you pay back 450, you want your 1% back, but do I still keep the 1%?
Yeah.
You can make a
Get your money
decision,
back.
yes or no.
Get your company back.
Only money.
Okay, 150. We'll get your company
I
back.
get to keep it?
No.
No.
Yes.
Okay, I'll tell you what then. If you want it back, then I will give you $600 if you will let me keep 2%. What I will pay.
Okay, his offer is $600. The original offer that was requested was $300 for 1% stake in his company. Getting the rest back, the 1% back after paying back $450. So, next. So we had Nate double the amount for $600, but double the amount of the company, 2%, and keeping the company at 2%. That's the second offer. Brittany?
I would give you what you asked. I'd give you the 300 for your 1%, but I would ask to keep the 1% for the remainder of the company's business.
Sam?
I have issues with naming potential overhead.
Potential overhead. Too high?
Between the services and products, trying to get too whole, there may be a little bit too much to balance, given with inflation.
Yes. And gas. Going back and forth, dropping the animal off. Terry?
Well, I'm thinking mom and dad got the gas. And, I like your idea. My concern is that you're gonna be in school when my dog is at your house. So, mommy and daddy, are they gonna step in and take care of my fur baby while you're at school? Then, I would be interested in, 400 for you.
400 for 1%?
Because I get to keep that money.
Oh, you're keeping the 1%?
Yeah,
Oh.
and free dogs.
Oh, wow! 1%. And free dog service. All right. All right, we have everyone invested in his company except Sam. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, good job, Mason. Good.
Our color pop and MAC Cosmetics. My promotions are buy one, get two free, and a 50% free insurance. My location that I'll be selling my product is on my website. My pricing will range to $10 to $20. To make the plus is $100. The profit that I'm going to make off of this is $8. My business will be an LLC business, and we will provide you with have good customer service, low prices, and good products. The investment that I'm asking for is $25,000 and 10%.
Oh, let's go. Did you say 25,000? We didn't hear you.
2,500.
2,500. Okay, for how much?
10%.
10%.
And will your business be like this?
Clean or a little no lamination.
How many products do you have? Each one product. Ready made, ready to eat, when you sell it.
So what's your competitors regarding the provision? What is it different regarding your company versus other?
Their pricing is like how their economy.
Have you actually made it yet?
How do you get it to your customers? You ship it? UPS, right? Post office, post office.
So piggybacking on that question, did you factor in shipping to the price? I said, did you factor in shipping into the price? For customers?
Since you haven't made the product yet, when you do make it, have you thought about testing it with your friends first to see if it's going to be something that they would like to buy?
Did you do the research to know, like, how much it would cost you just to make one tube? Okay, so how much would it cost you? It's okay. I'm just curious, like, would it cost you $4 and sell it for 10? Like, would you? It's okay, it's okay. I just didn't know if you had already looked into that.
You're looking for it, right? Let me give her that.
How many do you want to sell in a year? 20?
Just 20 lip glosses in a whole year? How many units do you want to sell? You said $10, right? How many units do you want to sell? How many lip glosses do you want to sell? Over the course of the year? 150? 150.
150, good number.
So is yours going to be like a circle of like the gloss if you have flavors? Is yours going to have a flavor, different flavors?
Fine.
Good job, Morgan. $2,500 for 10% investment.
I'm going for 10%. 2,500 for 15%.
Okay, so we have an offer, Nate, 2,500 for 10%.
15%.
Oh, 15%. Okay. Brittany.
I'm out.
All right, she's passing.
I'll do 2,500 for.
Trying to counter offer.
All right, so we'll find out at the end. Thank you. Take your time to rate her. Thank you, Morgan. Good job. All right, next we have. Hello, everyone. This is Carol Young, the founder and CEO of Be Bold Institute. Happening this Wednesday, November the 12th, 2025. We're having our Kids Academy Be Bold Tank Kids Edition Youth Entrepreneurship Pitch Competition. It's happening at 7 p.m. at the Sweetwater Mission, address 6130 Hotel Street, Austell, Georgia 30168. Our general admission tickets are $13. VIP admission tickets $20, which includes dinner and a free gift, and we also have a virtual option. Please secure your tickets by visiting BeBold2day.com. Come out and support youth entrepreneurs, and please share with your friends, family, and neighbors. Have a positively beautiful day. Thank you.